how we are thinking towards the men, how we are thinking towards ourselves, what we are thinking of being a housewife, how we all need to hire help if you really want to become an amazing businesswoman. There are a lot of people who are brought up with that entitlement that men go to work and women run the house. Now, if you want that change, when a man is earning and a woman is looking after a house, these are roles that right now in our society someone needs to fulfill. So now that you are married to someone who believes in such clear gender roles, if you want your own space of wanting to do things your way, you're going to have to complete the gender role he's expecting and start working. Now, some of you will be like, oh my God, Pooja, but that's so unfair. Please understand that in our society right now, if the man is working, I find it ridiculous when women say, okay, after he works, but he's also a father, right? He has to come and give father duty, but he also has to come and help me. Okay, so you don't have to help him, but he has to help you. So you don't have to earn money, but he must attend to your household chores. So this is a bit for me, like that's not a 50-50 relationship. Please list out what are the roles that a man and a woman are supposed to play. I'm not saying that I'm totally okay with my man running the house and me doing all of the work. But what can't happen is that I can't do all the work and then come back to attend to the house. That's not possible. And I'm saying this, even if I'm a woman, I wouldn't be able to take on more than what I'm handling. So if your man is earning the money and he's expecting you to give him a glass of water, can I tell you there's nothing wrong with that? Now, some of you here will not agree with me on this, but I want you all to know that as genders, we must play our role, and beyond that, go and do what we have to. Okay? Now, if you don't want to have gender roles in your house, yes, then at some point you have to sit down with the man and say, as I too want to earn money, like you, please tell me how can I contribute. In India right now, I don't see the mentality of the men changing. Maybe our children will change, but not maybe our husbands or brothers. So I'm not going to generalize this, but there are a lot of people who are brought up with that entitlement that men go to work and women run the house. Okay? Now, if you want that changed, sweetheart, then you need to add to your already very busy household day whatever it is you want to do, knowing that there will come a day 200 or 700 or 500 days from now, 2 years from now is normally what I say, give yourself, where you will start to earn your own money. And when you start to earn your own money, the first thing I want you to do is keep staff. Okay, if you already have staff, take their help. If you don't have staff, start keeping staff. The first thing we women have to do is have third person run the house so that the man and the woman are free to start working. So for all women today, I'm going to say this, if you truly want to start working, it's not like you can leave the household chores and then go to work. You have to organize yourself in the house in a certain manner till you reach a place where the house is managed by a third person, which basically means your staff. And you need to start earning money, and the first 15,000 that you earn will not even belong to you. It will belong to the person who's going to give you your time. That means it's going to go to some staff in your house where you can buy yourself time. And once you buy yourself time, make that 15-30, make the 30 45, 45 55. Don't fight with men. For all of you here today, so many of the Instagram questions are about how my man is not supportive of my career. For all of you here, this is my answer. For some time, you're going to have to do double duty. That means you're going to have to run your house as well as try working. A day will come where you'll be able to hire someone who will be able to run the house for you to a certain extent. And then you can keep increasing your work till it reaches a place where your house is run, you are only supervising, and you're able to do the work. At that point, when your man starts to respect you, can I tell you, a lot of times I've seen the man starts to pitch in. Right now, he doesn't think much of your earning, but a day may come that you may be earning equal to him or as good as him. And can I tell you, that day he will be so proud of you. A lot of you here, he will be super proud. Now, this is not all the men, but there is definitely a chance. So stop looking for support from him on the duties that belong to you. Just the same way he can't sit at home and say, you go earn, I'll be at home. He can't say that. As a society, we have a certain expectation that the man will go out and earn. And can I tell you, that's not an easy role either. So for all of us women who've created this whole narrative that, you know what, oh, men are so lucky, they can go out, they can work, while we are all here stuck at home having to do, useless jobs while they get all the appreciation. Try working. I'm not joking, it's not easy. Okay, not easy at all. And of course, for those of you who are mothers here, highly recommend that for 5 years, the first 5 years of your children's lives, be there for them. You have the rest of your life to work. One of the biggest mistakes, if somebody had to ask me, I made was that when my children were like 1 and 3 or 1 and 4, I was so desperate to make my life meaningful that every year I would start some business and fail. I wish someone had held me and said, enjoy your children. Once they start going to school, you'll have like almost half a day or more than half a day. They used to come back only by 3 o'clock. So then from 9 to 3, you can do what you like. Why do you need to build your business at that time only? So for everyone here who has young children, this is your time to learn things, okay? Keep building your competency so that by the time your child is 5 and in proper school, you are at that point not starting from scratch, but already having enough knowledge and competency and confidence to be able to start and not then having to wait, okay? So this is just me explaining to you my version of how a woman needs to be in India right now, okay? So for all of you here today, leave this expectation that you need to get supported from your husband or in-laws or anyone else. Start doing. Do it at a small level. Start doing. As you keep progressing, slowly, they will start to see in you what you have already been seeing in yourself. Half the time we haven't even proved ourselves, we have only failures backing us up, and we are wondering why no one believes in us. Unfair thought. So today I want all of us to redo how we are thinking towards the men, how we are thinking towards ourselves, what we are thinking of being a housewife, how we all need to hire help if you really want to become an amazing businesswoman. Okay, everyone with me?